What's up guys, so in today's video on how to go from $0 to $100,000 using AI web agency business model in episode 7. We'll quickly just be going through all the AERAFY tutorials. Let me quickly just show you. So if you go log in, let me just make this smaller. If you log into your AERAFY account, here in the very bottom you'll see tutorials, then they have a little onboarding tutorial course to go through. So let's quickly jump right into it. So you can just click there at the bottom on tutorials and then start course. So let's start this course. There we go. So let's head into it.
Welcome to the onboarding tutorial, where we're going to show you exactly what you need to do to get everything set up in the back end so that the front end works perfectly. Now, of course, you don't have to set up everything you see in this course, but the more that you integrate and the more that you set up,
just make it a bit better
the better it will work for you, because that's how software is. Software works best when the user understands it, which is why we love the service aspect of this company even more. Because once you go through this course and you see everything that it can do, you can just message us, tell us what you want, and we'll get it up and running for you. But let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to do when you sign into your account is head over to the Launchpad area, where you will ultimately want to connect as many of these as possible. And we're going to break down each and every single one of them right now. So of course, you're going to want the mobile app. You can see here, it's already installed on my end, but it's most likely not installed for you. So you can click the button right here and it will take you right to the App Store or the Google Play Store, where you can download that straight to your phone. And the login information is the exact same login that you used to sign into the account. The next integration that you want to connect is probably one of the most important integrations, and it's Google My Business, because everything that we do in this system is helping your Google ranking, helping your numbers, making sure people can find you, improving your website, improving automation, and all of these things are connected to Google. So businesses need to be updating their Google My Business and understanding it, and there's no better platform than the one you're currently on to update and manage your Google My Business. So if you don't have a Google My Business, reach out to us, and if you do have one and you just can't access it, we will also help you with this, because you need to make sure that your Google My Business is connected and ready to go. The next integration is Facebook. Facebook is extremely important because through the pages and through groups and through posts, the possibilities are endless in the marketing world. So when you connect your business Facebook page, all of your messages that come in through Facebook will end up going into the conversations tab here. So you can actually integrate your Instagram, your Facebook, your Google, your new business texting line and email, and everything will go into this conversations tab that we will cover later. You can also post straight from the marketing tab, which is another reason why it's so important to connect that Facebook account. And connecting these accounts could not be easier. You click the connect button, you sign into the account that you're trying to connect, and you're good to go. The chat widget is also very easy to connect, and we will cover this more in depth in another video. But this will work if you have an existing website already and you don't want to change it, but you just want to add the chat widget. And it will also work if you want a website through us and you want us to create you a stunning website, top of the line, that's automated and working with all of these integrations for you. The next integration is Stripe. If you're connecting your Stripe account, it means you most likely are trying to collect payments of some sort. So if your business collects online payments from customers, I would definitely recommend connecting your Stripe, and you can easily create amazing invoices and even send text to pay invoices to any and all of your customers instantly. And
you can also use different payment processes as well. I've told you guys earlier about that, but you can also use Stripe, you can use PayPal, and I'll show you in a bit later videos how you can use different ones as well. Stripe is just the main one that we mainly use.
Depending on where you're located, you may have access to the Yext program, which is an unbelievable integration that we offer. Yext boosts your business by putting you on 70 plus portals and websites to boost online presence and SEO instantly, which in simple terms just means that your business name, number, logo, and all other basic business information are automatically going to be put on multiple platforms so that Google can take a step back and go, wow, these people are everywhere. Their business is on 70 different websites. This is crazy. They must be very good at what they do. And therefore, they rank you higher. And then of course, the last section is quickly adding employees. So if you have an employee, if you have a secretary or someone that you want to manage all of this for you, you can easily add them right here. And the rest of this course will break down exactly how to do everything I just mentioned. But it's extremely important to integrate as many of these as possible so that we can get moving with the next steps. And while we're on the topic of integration, I'd love for you guys to click the settings tab at the bottom left-hand corner, where in the business profile, you can actually upload your logo or have us upload it for you and update any of your business personal info, which most likely is already done when you created the account. But just in case you need to change anything, you can do that right here in the business info page. You can also scroll down here and see multiple other options in the settings tab, like allow duplicate contact, which means if someone signs up twice but they use a different email or number, but they're still the same person, you can click on allow duplicate contact to make sure that they still get put in the system and everything runs perfectly. You can even merge Facebook contacts by name because of course Facebook contacts are not the same as actual contacts with name, numbers, and emails. And if you scroll down even more, you will see the missed call text back feature, which is the simplest but one of my favorite features. Because how many times have you called a business, they haven't picked up, and you have to leave a voicemail? Well, not anymore, because when you enable the missed call text back feature, as soon as someone calls your business and for whatever reason you can't answer the phone, they will get an automatic text that says, "Hi, this is," it puts in your location name, "I saw that we just missed your call, how can I help?" And you can edit this to say whatever you want. This will make sure that those leads don't go to the next business that picks up the phone. And speaking of phone numbers, one of the first and most important aspects of this entire software is creating a custom business line so that you can text and run all of your marketing campaigns through it. So let me take you over to this giant yellow tab that's screaming for you to get your phone number and start texting. We're gonna click the resolve button here. You can also get to this by going to settings and clicking phone numbers. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to add a number. We're going to pick the country that we're in, and then we're gonna go over to the area code and type in which area code we are. Because of course, if you're a local business, you want people to know that, hey, this is also a local number. So let's search for the numbers in the area. And you will see all of these different options to choose from, including a $1 a month fee, which is a small price to pay for a brand new business line. So you're gonna choose a number here, and then you're going to save it. But we're not done yet. You're gonna go over to the edit button, which is this little pencil icon to the far right. You're gonna click on that. You can give your number a name, and you can even forward all calls to the business line or the landline that you actually use now, or what most people do, their cell phone. So this is where you will put in your actual phone or whatever phone you want to put in to forward the calls to if anyone calls this specific number. And there are more features that you can edit down here. You can pass a call number as a caller ID, you can enable call connect features, you can add a whisper message, and even a call recording. But what I recommend is just scrolling to the bottom here, going to the incoming call timeout and the outbound call timeout. A good number we've noticed is at 30 seconds for the incoming and 30 seconds for the outbound. But you can mess around with this and change it to whatever you think is best. And then we press update. And congratulations, you now have a texting business line where you can text any and all of your customers, as well as reach out through automation and connect it to your marketing to create ultimate follow-up campaigns. I could not be more excited for what you're about to see in the next few videos. So make sure to get as much integrated as possible in the Launchpad area. And in the next video, I'm gonna take you even further to the settings integrations tab and show you how to integrate even further so that you can get the most out of this software program. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Okay, well, as you can
Welcome
see,
to the onboarding tutorial.
sorry, as you can see, there's lots of different things you can do. You don't have to get the number, all those things, but you can definitely help you out. And just remember, AERAFY is not just for, well, websites and stuff. It's one of the features they have. They have a lot of other features they also have. So I'll be going through all these videos in the next videos. And just make sure to check them out. And you can also just go log into AERAFY and check there in the bottom for tutorials. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.